Hey guys, welcome to the JetJanix, and today we are going to find the working days in a given time period, okay? And the time period can be 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, or even 50 years. And the Excel, the MS Excel is the very good package for easing our life, okay? It's very easy here to count the working days in a given time span, okay? So this is the data. You can see the 1st January 2000, and let's assume the day is Saturday, and these are the dates, okay? And dates are up to, let's say, 2000, 2001, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it is up to 2027 April 2006, okay? So it is almost uh, six and quarter year, okay, or 6.5 years, and we want to count the working days in this period. So how we can calculate it? We can calculate it with a very simple formula, and the formula is type equal and net work days. You can see it here, okay, net work days. So double click it, and now you click on the start date, okay, start date, and you type comma, and then you scroll down to the end of the data, okay, and it's here. Now you can select this one and go back to your formula. Here, close the parenthesis, okay, and press enter. So we found that 1649 days are working days in this time span, okay. But if you can see, or if you think, there are not only the weekend days we are having holidays. For example, there might be some other holidays like the Easter or the Christmas, or the we can say the 1st May, the Labor Day. So we can exclude that days as well from our calculation, okay. So how are we going to exclude that holidays from the counted working days? So we are going to again type the formula net network days, okay, start date, and again comma, go to the, no, wait, no, sorry, I think I have I did a mistake here. Wait, I will just click this one. This is the start date, okay, press comma and drag down, sorry, yes, scroll down to the end date, press this one, and now go back to your original formula, okay. And here you have to type, you see here, you have to type comma and select the day that was holiday, and the holiday is except the Saturday and Sunday. For example, here this Monday is Monday, and it was the Easter holiday, or any other holiday. It can be your religious holiday or social or something like this. So we are just going to select this one, okay, like this. Now close the parenthesis and press enter. You see, again we have reduced the working days by one, because I have put, you can see here, the B17. Now the formula stating here is count net working days in the period from here to the last date, and also consider the B7 as your holiday. So in this case your working days are 1648. So you made your life very easy, because it is almost the 6.5 years data, and it's very difficult to calculate the Monday to Friday days, and then in 1 week, then in month and year, and then second year, third year, fourth year, fifth and sixth. It will take a lot of time. So this is the easy formula you can use for your calculation, you for your calculating networking days in a given time span, and it can make your life very easy, okay guys. I think it helps, and you would like it. So if you like, please like and share our videos with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more upcoming videos, okay guys. Thank you. Bye bye.